Hi, if you want to turn off sleep mode on Samsung Galaxy S25, let me show you how. But firstly, let me show you how sleep mode looks enabled. If you turned it on, then you should see this bat icon in the status bar, which indicates that sleep mode is enabled. So to disable and find it, go in Settings, here choose Modes and Routines, and find Sleep section. And now you need to turn it off just by tapping blue button Turn Off. And after that, this bat icon would disappear from status bar and mode would be disabled. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.